Hi friends, let me show you this power washer extension hose that I received for reviewing purposes. This is an extension that can help you to reach more escape with your power washer, okay? It comes with the actual extension, this harness to help you to operate it, I'm going to show you, and some accessories for the end of the gun so you can reach different kind of surfaces. Okay? You also get different accessories to put it together, different nozzles depending on what you want to wash, and some couplers to be able to connect it to your power washer. Let's put it together. We're going to use this coupler so we can connect the power washer hose to the gun, okay? That's it. Okay, you use this harness to help you, and we are going to test it with this one, okay? Okay. Okay, so this way you can So as you can see, with this extensor, you can reach really high in your home if you have a 2 stories home, or in a hard to reach plant or tree, or if you want to clean something that is out of reach, you can use this tool to do it. So this is a useful extensor. You have different kind of nozzles, different kind of adapters, and different end accessories to use it, okay? Thank you.